Realme P4 Power is tipped to launch in India on January 29. Realme P4 Power is the first phone to get the Transview design look, which features a dual-tone finish on the back. The bottom half gets a matte texture while the top area gets a semi-transparent look with a precision energy loop element surrounding the camera island. It will feature a plastic frame and weigh 219 grams. The Realme P4 Power box pricing, which is 37,999 rupees. P4 Power will be offered in 3 color options: trans silver, trans orange, and trans blue. The device will offer a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The Realme P4 Power is going to be its massive 10,001 mAh battery. The smartphone will come with 80W fast charging support as well. The smartphone will be equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset paired with the Hypervision Plus AI chip, with 3 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates. Launch with Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16 out of the box. Get a 50MP main camera with OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide camera at the back, and a 16MP front camera.